This video will go over the daily service points to check on the BBI Endurance pull-type litter spreader. Some maintenance points may differ, depending on the various options available for the machine. Keeping your BBI Endurance well-maintained will ensure longevity and reduce downtime throughout the spreading season.
Check your PTO shaft, U-joints, make sure all that is good. Grease fittings inside right there. You check the pump, make sure no hoses are leaking. Binary valve, relief, bed chain relief, spinner relief, bed chain control, spinner control, dump valve, GR valve. Check your filter. Oil cooler, check your fittings on the oil cooler, make sure no leaks. Lug nuts, check lug nuts, make sure all your lug nuts are tight. You have a grease fitting in the hub right there to grease the bearings for the hub. These your grease fittings on the walking beam. Regular, at least a couple times a week on your grease fittings. Check the bearings, rear roller bearings, grease fitting on those. Couple shots every couple days at least, depending on your usage. Check tension on your chain. Spinner motors, make sure no leaks on your spinner motors. You do have grease fittings on the motor right there. Couple shots every week at least. Bed chain gearbox. Check your oil level up to the center plug in the gearbox. Bearings on the gate shaft. 2 bearings there. Grease fitting on your gate shaft. Hoses, make sure your hoses are still tight, no leaks. More grease fittings on your walking beam. Lug nuts, tire pressure. Bearings on your front roller with the grease fitting on it. Make chain tensioner, keep your chain tight. Oil level in the reservoir up to the black line.
If you require any replacement parts or have any questions about the maintenance on your BBI Endurance, contact your nearest Salford BBI dealer for more information.